design. So I gave myself a little challenge to see if I could make a sound that I had done on the Kronos inside of Zebra 2. So it was a bit more daunting than I thought it would be, but it really helped me explore Zebra 2 in a way that allowed me to deep dive into a lot of its processes and how it functions. So I'm going to go ahead and play you the sound on the Kronos first, and then it will transition to Zebra 2 so you can hear how similar they sound. And really, so you can hear how much time and effort and detail I put into creating this semi complex patch on two different synthesizers. So here we go. So it's a pretty fun sound. I decided to call it Generations or Decades to Come because I think that there's, enough stuff in either of these synthesizers that it could keep somebody busy for decades to come. Uh, Doing the sound on Zebra was a ton of fun because I got to actually shape the oscillators to even look like the Kronos oscillators, and not to mention, figure out some neat tricks with like the step LFO and things, and learning about differences in timing and stuff. For instance, like this rate, even though it's BPM synced, is I believe per step, whereas on the Kronos it's per single cycle. So I had to kind of like figure out how those divisions worked. Of course, detailing stuff with the panning was caused a little bit of trial and error. I can actually just remove that unit. That was just to test the distortion unit.